morning, students. Hope you are keeping fine at home. Welcome to the SST class. Okay. And for our discussion, we have today the last Stone Age. Last part of the Stone Age. Remember, Stone Age is divided into 4 different ages: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, Neolithic Age, and Mesolithic, Neolithic, and last one Chalcolithic. Under the Chalcolithic Age, after that, there is another period known as Bronze Age. Bronze Age on page number 12. During the Bronze Age, humans learned to use metal in more advanced ways. So this was the Metal Age. What was the first metal found by humans? Copper. Copper was the first metal ever found by humans and used as tools. And then later on, they what did it? They mixed up with tin and then made bronze. You know what is which metal is known as bronze? So in our live class we have said, and then we have enjoyed that also. So they learned to combine tin and with copper, and that is how the bronze came. Bronze was found. Tools and weapons were made of bronze as they were stronger than the copper. They were the bronze metal is stronger, harder stuff than the copper. Copper is very flexible, and it is not that strong, but it's very good conductor of electricity. You know that all the electric wires and implements and machineries are made by this one, copper. Why? Copper is the coldest metal. It doesn't get heated up faster. Some of you have got the copper jug. It's medicinal, they say. Okay. So copper. Tools and weapons were made up of bronze. It was very hard, harder than the copper. Many artifacts and utensils for daily use were also made by the bronze. Today also we have. So dear children, here we are, the last part of the Stone Age, that is Bronze Age. Now I would like to go back as a form of revision. Now I know these points, some 10 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points are there. All these 10 points I am going to discuss, so that it is easy for you to do your exercises and learn the lesson properly. And so I have to discuss. See, so historians have divided prehistory into 3 periods. Prehistoric into 3 periods. In our live class today, we were discussing what is prehistory. What is history first? I had asked. What is history? History is the study of the past event related to human life. I repeat, history is the study of the past event related to human life. Now, here our question is, what is prehistory? Prehistory. Now, prehistory is the time period, or the duration is the period when that is a period from the beginning of the human life. As human life evolved till they started writing, reading, they started, or till they discovered writing, reading and writing. From there to the writing, recording the past event. From the life, early life of human and to the till they learn how to read and write. This period of time, this span of time is known as prehistory. What is history? The history which is recorded discussed all the events that of the past. But prehistory, it is not written, nothing is there in writing. It is only we have the what evidence we have, therefore archaeological evidence. Therefore we have all prehistoric events are known by the historians by the source known as archaeological sources. Archaeologists, the study of the old remains of the past thing, old remains of the things like tools, the weapons, and the bones and the fossils. What is buried deep under the earth. The historians, they dug up, archaeologists, they dig out and then study. That is known as archaeological evidence. So archaeologist. So prehistory is divided into three. It is major three periods: Stone Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age. Stone Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age. Remember that. Prehistory is divided into three periods. But Stone Age is divided into four periods. That don't mix up. Don't mix up with the major prehistoric period. Prehistoric period. Don't mix up between the prehistoric period and four Stone Ages. Four Stone Ages. Okay. So prehistoric period is divided into three major periods, that is Stone Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age. Number two, the Stone Age saw the use of stone tools and weapons. Use of stone tools and weapons. Number three, the Stone Age is divided into Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, and Chalcolithic. Here it is. Paleolithic age was the age of hunting and gathering. People did not grow crops. They did not know how to grow crops or plant, but they knew how to eat. So they gathered and ate, finished. The Mesolithic age was the transition period, change period from the Paleolithic age to the Neolithic age, the Mesolithic age. Okay. Next number is the Neolithic age was age of farming and domesticating animals. But we have already discussed that in Mesolithic period, people learned how to grow crops. But in Neolithic age, already there was the occupation. It had become occupation. This is the difference. And the settled life. Invention of wheel was an important achievement of human in the Neolithic age. Also fishing. Okay, fishing. The use of copper along with the stone for making tools and weapons mark the beginning of the copper stone age, or we call it Chalcolithic age. Some of us say Chalcolithic. I prefer to say Chalcolithic. Chalcolithic. Chalco means copper and lithos means stone. So copper stone age. The Chalcolithic age was followed by the Bronze Age. During this age, human beings learned to combine tin with copper and produce bronze. During the Bronze Age, tools and weapons were made of bronze as it was stronger, harder, durable metal than the copper stone. Okay. With this, I conclude the class. Thank you. Next time we will do the question answer exercises. Bye.